Good morning, you guys. Happy Wednesday. Happy Den Day. Woohoo! I love today. This is going to be so much fun. We're going to be outside and we're going to get together with our teams and we're going to do something kind of fun today. So we're excited to see you at Den Day. That'll be at 11:30 today. Hey, listen, today's manner is all about what to do in the cafeteria after you're done eating. And honestly, it should also be in your classroom after you're done eating your snack. And it goes like this. After eating, be responsible for your area and your items. Notice those two things, right? Be responsible for your area and for your items. You need to make sure that the area that you were eating in is clean. And we'd say that every day in the lunchroom. Make sure the tabletop in front of you and the floor below you are clean. And you need to look at those things and pick things up that are there. We are sweeping between every group that comes into the cafeteria. So even if it's not yours that's down there or you don't think it is yours, it was somebody near you that has dropped it and it needs to be picked up. Notice what I said. It is somebody near you and it needs to be picked up. It shouldn't be left for other people to take care of because I'm not even eating in there. So why should I be the one sweeping it up, right? Nor was Miss Chelsea in there eating. But we're there every day to help clean up. And notice I said we're there every day to help. And it takes all of us to help. It's a group effort. We want our cafeteria to be clean, especially for those groups that come in and enjoy PE after lunchtime. So we want to make sure we get the food cleaned up. We want to be able to do that as quickly as we can. So getting that food picked up helps us do that faster to get the gym ready for the next group that comes in. Just like after breakfast or just like in the morning when we get the gym scrubbed in the morning. Because we do that one day a week in the morning. We get out this big scrubber and we scrub the gym every week. So the idea is, and in your classroom, same idea. After you finish your snack, check your tabletop. That'd be your desk, right? And look on the floor for crumbs. And you have to actually look down there and make sure there aren't any crumbs. You might even have to scoot your seat out and look underneath your chair to make sure that crumbs didn't fall into your chair. And that's why we also say at lunchtime to lean over your plate. I'm going to get really close for a second. To lean over your plate while you eat. Every time you take a bite, you lean in, you take your bite, and then you can come back, you can visit with people, and your hands stay, I'm going to put them real close to the camera, right here in front, like over the table, so that if crumbs drop off your sandwich, off your burger, off of your chicken patty sandwich, out of your wrap, whatever it is, it falls onto your tray or onto the table and not down on the floor, not on your lap or on the bench, right? Or not on your shirt and get your clothes dirty. You hold it over the tray, over the table while you visit with your friends. And then when you're done visiting, you can reach and lean in, you take a bite and you pull back, you chew, and then you might visit for a second and you come back in, you take a bite, but you lean over. Even when you have a snack, you take one goldfish cracker off and you put it in your mouth and you kind of lean over the table as you do it. So if you miss your mouth, the goldfish fall back on your desk again, you can keep eating them. Realistically, if they fall on the floor, you should probably throw it away. Some people like to talk about the 5-second rule. I don't mind the 5-second rule sometimes myself. It's all right. But you got to make sure you're trying to lean over and using your manners, all right? And after you're done eating, be responsible for your area and your items. Now, the other items involve your lunchbox, wrappers, the spork, the lid off of the pears or the peaches or the green beans or the baked beans, whatever it may be. All those things are your items once you take them. So you have to be responsible for those and take them over and get them thrown away. The straw, the little wrapper that comes off the spork and the napkin and the straw that's super light and blows around really easily, those are falling on the floor like crazy. You need to pick those up, put them on your tray, and make sure when you walk over that it stays there. Because that's something that just by walking over can blow off and fall down on the floor, right? So you've got to be responsible for your area and your items. That's what we do. We're bears. We got our manners. We're going to keep on working on it. Have an awesome day. I will see you at Den Day.